I've researched and tested some of the best 3D printers in order to find the best one, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly what the best 3D printer is for you. Like the Creality Ender 3v2, which is one of the best-selling and coolest 3D printers you'll see. It has an intuitive assembly process, is very easy to use, making it a perfect beginner or casual printer, but it also lacks some of the high-end performances, something like the MK3S Plus that costs about triple as much, which is why I've included options for all budget ranges, so if you don't have $1,000 to spend on a 3D printer, I got you. Now, for starters, we got to look at the perfect starter product, the Creality Ender 3v2. The Creality Ender 3v2 is an excellent 3D printer for beginners or budget-conscious shoppers, and it comes with a relatively intuitive assembly process, fast heating for the nozzle and bed, and several user-friendly features to help you get started. And I gotta mention, this video isn't sponsored. None of these companies paid me to include their products, and these are all my honest opinions. It doesn't ship assembled, but the setup process is intuitive and doesn't require any soldering, crimping, or advanced techniques, which makes it a solid choice for entry-level users. It comes with the controller board, and the wires are held in place with a silicone potting compound for added stability. It also comes with some key improvements over the previous model, including an extra glass plate, a C-magnet build service to ensure consistent temperatures, and a UL-certified Meanwell power supply for faster heating or longer printing jobs. It also uses stepper drivers, though it can be somewhat loud while in use. The Ender 3 offers solid printing performance and can deliver decent surface detail, but it lacks the overall print quality of higher-end models like the FlashForge 3D Printer Creator Pro 2 I'll mention later. It also comes with a convenient resume print function that automatically resumes printing from the last extruder position if it unexpectedly loses power, which is an impressive feature considering its affordable price. Even more, it has a Prusa slicer that provides decent print speeds, or you can reduce the speed to improve the quality, though calibration and retraction adjustment is recommended for optimal performance. The Creality Ender 3v2 isn't the most advanced 3D printer on the market, but it's still a good option that's easy to use and can deliver solid printing detail for a much lower price than premium competitors. If you're new to 3D printing, or if you're shopping around on a tighter budget and just want a basic model that can get the job done, this might be the best 3D printer for you. And if you want the best and most up-to-date pricing on Ender 3v2 and all the other products in this video, check the links in the description. Next up, I have a solid all-around printer that provides consistent results and some similar features as more expensive models for a much more reasonable price. The Monoprice Voxel is my choice as the best 3D printer for the money in 2023. Monoprice has a few solid 3D printers to choose from, and their Voxel model is a relatively budget-friendly model that comes with a well-designed build platform for easy removal and impressive print quality for the price. In contrast to the previously mentioned Creality Ender 3v2, it comes with a closed frame that remains quieter when printing, provides better safety from hot liquids, and helps reduce the smell from printing with ABS builds or other thermoplastics. I like that it comes mostly assembled and pre-calibrated, so you can start printing almost directly out of the box, and it features a 2.8-inch touchscreen display with assisted level adjustments for less experienced users. In addition, it has a filament sensor that automatically feeds through the port to quickly restock materials, along with a built-in sensor that alerts you when filament levels are low. You get a heated print bed that allows you to print with multiple filaments in resolutions up to 50 to 300 microns, and you get solid speeds up to 60 millimeters per second to quickly complete the build, which is impressive considering its reasonable price tag. It is more prone to misprinting than higher-end models like the Dremel DigiLab 3D35, but it still offers consistent results, and it has a specially designed surface texture to provide a more stable foundation for your figures. It also comes with a flexible and removable build plate that makes it easy to remove completed projects without damage. While the Monoprice Voxel isn't a premium 3D printer, it's still an effective 3D printer that comes with some useful design features and can produce solid quality prints in just a few moments. This is an excellent 3D printer if you don't want to spend too much but want a quality 3D printer that can deliver detailed prints. Some people might be looking for a versatile 3D printer that can deliver high-quality performance for a more affordable price. The FlashForge 3D Printer Creator Pro 2 is my choice as the best 3D printer for most people in 2023. FlashForge's Creator Pro 2 offers an innovative design that allows you to print multiple objects simultaneously, support for most types of filament, and good enough print quality for almost any task. It has a relatively intuitive setup process, and it has carrying handles on the side so you can reposition or move it around as needed. In contrast to models that use a single printhead like the Creality Ender 3v2, it features a unique, independent dual extruder design for improved efficiency, which allows you to print two objects simultaneously, or one object with two colors. It offers compatibility with several filaments including PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU to handle a range of printing applications. Unfortunately, the enclosed design limits the print volume, but it also comes with an intuitive 3.5-inch touchscreen for improved control and easy navigation. It's only compatible with the included FlashForge slicing software, which is easy to use and offers some solid abilities, but it's somewhat limited compared to more advanced programs. It delivers better print quality than cheaper models such as the Monoprice Voxel I mentioned, and can consistently deliver subtle details, though it tends to be loud while printing. I also like that it has duplicate and mirror modes, so you can work on two exact replicas for mass-producing figures or mirrored duplicates, though it lacks a resume print function. In addition, it has a heated print bed and precise nozzle heads to deliver consistent results with most filaments. The FlashForge Creator Pro 2 is the best 3D printer for most people because of its user-friendly software, impressive duplicate and mirror modes for greater efficiency, and excellent overall print quality. If you want an impressive model that can deliver detailed prints with minimal blemishes but doesn't cost thousands, this might be the right choice for you. For anyone who wants a 3D printer that offers an impressive combination of filament support, intuitive software, and consistent print quality, the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is my choice as the best overall 3D printer in 2023. The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus offers some key improvements over previous models, such as sturdier parts and an upgraded print bed leveling system for greater reliability, along with stunning print quality and user-friendly controls. It ships pre-assembled and with a free 1 kilogram spool of silver PLA for use directly out of the box, or you can opt to save money by assembling it from a kit on your own. It comes with a sturdy milled dural build, an open frame, single extruder design that measures around 15 by 20 by 22 inches, a 2 spool holder rods for longer print jobs, though closed models such as the Monoprice Voxel tend to offer better safety and quieter operation. Even more, it supports a wide variety of filament types, such as PLA, PETG, ABS, ASA, flex, nylon, carbon-filled, and wood-filled to provide greater printing versatility. With the MK3S Plus, you get impressive and consistent printing results with excellent detail and minimal blemishes or misprints, though the build volume is slightly limited. I also like that it offers a convenient power loss recovery function, so it can automatically resume printing if it suddenly loses power. Even more, it comes with a Super Pinda probe for temperature-independent automatic mesh bed leveling and to compensate for minor print sheet imperfections. It also utilizes the Prusa Slicer software suite, which has 3 interfaces for users of different experience levels, including an expert mode with a broader range of settings. The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is the best overall 3D printer on the market because of its easy-to-use but feature-rich companion software, user-friendly features, and better printing quality than the cheaper models mentioned. This is an excellent 3D printer if you can spend some money and want a high-end printer that can accurately produce projects or figures with excellent detail and consistency. If you have some money to spend and want a premium printer that can handle heavy-duty printing tasks, the Dremel DigiLab 3D45 is my choice as the best 3D printer for large runs in 2023. The Dremel DigiLab 3D45 is a high-end printer that's easy to use and offers powerful software support, relatively quiet operation, and consistently very good print quality, which makes it a good choice for professional developers, engineers, or enthusiasts. It has a larger build than the other printers on this list and weighs around 47 pounds, so it's best placed permanently on a table or workspace. It has a closed frame design that's generally safer than open frame models, and it has a metal nozzle and a swinging lid that allows you to conveniently access the print bed. In addition, it offers several connectivity options and lets you print via a USB stick, an Ethernet connection, or a Wi-Fi connection. It's also compatible with various Dremel filaments, including nylon, ABS, and PETG, and it offers the ability to automatically identify the material for optimal performance, though the color selection is limited. The 3D45 delivers consistently outstanding print quality and offers an outstanding 350 micron resolution range to handle most applications without misprinting. The open-source DigiLab 3D Slicer software is easy to use and offers some advanced features, such as support for G-code or 3G Drem formats. Unlike most other 3D printers, it's also reasonably quiet when in use, and it comes with particulate and carbon filters to help reduce harmful emissions when printing. You also get a 9-point leveling sensor that accounts for variations in the print bed, a built-in camera to monitor progress, and more. The Dremel DigiLab 3D45 is likely overkill for beginners or casual 3D printing tasks, but it's an excellent printer that delivers precise, detailed results each time. If you want a 3D printer that can tackle larger jobs and deliver high-quality prints with several filament types, this might be the best 3D printer for you. If you learned something new and liked the video, give it a like. And links to the most updated pricing on all products I talked about in the video are in the description below. You never know when these might go on sale, so you can check those out.